Hey everybody, today in this video I'm going to show you how to install the top drawer on a base cabinet. Today I'm going to show you how to install the drawers of holes. So leave 5/8. Again, that was 5/8. Then take your slide, put the box on your workbench sideways like this. Take all your drawer hardware out of the package, throw away all the trash and recycling, and put the drawer bottoms there. Now let's get started. First off, we're going to leave a 5/8 space right here. Now that we have the spacing of 5/8, we're going to take our drawer hardware, line it up with a 5/8. Make sure you have 2 screws and the heads are bigger than the hole. You're going to put this screw in, but then here, let me show you what to do. Then from the bottom of the box to the bottom of the slide, we want 22 1/4. Again, that is 22 1/4. Then screw that slide in and complete the same thing on the other side. Now that you have your slide installed on both sides of the cabinet, come on over to your drawer hardware. Put both the retaining clips facing towards you. Put that side and that side ready to be installed. Flip the whole piece of board up like this. Bring it towards you. Put the slide on the side so the front is towards the table and it will be completely flush with the metal and the wood. Put your first screw right here. Now that you have screws installed on both sides, flip the whole piece upside down. Now put a screw here and put a screw here. Now that we got those screws in, we're going to want to get the slide out that holds the drawer front on. So in here you'll see this is a lever. It is not a screw, it's a lever. So you get your drill in there and all you need to do, remember, it's a lever, it's not a screw. Repeat the same on the other side. Now have your drawer facing this way towards you. Take your metal clips, put them in there. Then you take your back piece, put 4 screws in. Okay, now the most important part, attaching the drawer front to the box correctly. I have a set of measurements here for everybody here to view. I'll pause here for a minute. We're going to be going with the top and middle drawer measurement. This whole process works the same way for the bottom drawer as well. So if you have a 3 drawer base, you can do this in the top and the center, and then do this measurement in the bottom, and everything will go together the same way correctly. Now that we have our measurement marked correctly, I would like to show a fast way to do the drawer bases if you're an installer or you have a big kitchen to do. So you take your template and you mark the 2 holes. Up here is the bottom and here is the top and the middle. So here I'll be using the top and the middle. I take my little pointy device here and I know that is exactly where my screw needs to go. So I'm going to take my device here. I'm going to come to this side, then I'm going to do the same thing. Applied with our drawer hardware, you're going to have some longer screws. They're very important, that way you have the proper grip onto the wood. With the screw facing out, this is going to go into that hole. To the top of the line correctly as well. So that I have both of these installed correctly, I can take my whole drawer assembly take my drawer front, and if you look in here, that needs to slide into there. Same on that side. You have them both correctly in, they'll lock right in. Take your whole drawer assembly, but be careful not to hold it from the front, hold it from the sides. Slide it in gently. Then you come around to the back. You'll notice that this and these need to be slid together. So you don't pinch yourself. I had to take a rubber mallet and just clip, and then over here. Done. Better than pinching your hand. So now we should come around and everything is perfect and ready to be installed. Holz Home Design.